First, take out EA1000C6 LED module and attach the CE certification label and compliance mark. Then place EA1000C6 LED module flat on the workbench. Secure the module handle to the designated position with screws, and fit the waterproof rubber ring tightly around the power connector to ensure proper sealing. Arrange all 8 LED modules neatly in order. Fit waterproof rubber rings around each module. Then snap the cabinet shell into place according to the latch positions. Use screws to firmly secure the modules to the shell, completing the installation of all 8 modules. Next, install the power indicator light, power connector, and data interface on the rear cover of the cabinet and secure them with screws. Install the power module onto the rear cover, attach the fixing strip, and lock it in place with screws. Then connect the module power cables to the power module. Take out the receiving card, install it to the designated position on the rear cover, and secure it with screws. Finally, connect all power cables and data cables to their corresponding modules. Once completed, EA1000C6 unit will be sent to the next stage via transport cart. EA1000C6 unit is moved by transport cart to the waterproof testing area, where it undergoes a 15-minute simulated rainstorm test. After the test, high-pressure air is used to quickly dry off surface water droplets, and a quality inspector opens the cabinet to check the internal condition. After passing the inspection, EA1000C6 unit enters the aging test area. The operator securely connects 2 adjacent EA1000C6 screens using quick lock mechanisms and fastens them to the mounting frame with fixing screws. Following this procedure, all EA1000C6 units are installed onto the racks one by one. Start the test screen and inspect all LED units for dead pixels and color inconsistencies. Then run a 72-hour continuous playback test to verify stability and reliability.